how to upload an ebook to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy to create an ebook and also how we can make that and upload into your Shopify store by making it as a digital products or digital download. Now, the process is very easy and very simple. Head over your admin dashboard of your Shopify store, and from here, what we're going to do is to click on the search bar, and we are going to type in on the search bar digital downloads. And then normally you are going to see an app like this. Here I have already created or installed this app, but in your case you're going to search for it in the App Store. It shouldn't be the same app that I have already installed because it is the most simple app. You can use here the suggestion or app suggestion that you are going to get from the Shopify store or App Store, like FileMonk here and etc. SkyPilot here. But I have chosen this one. This is the original Shopify or developed by Shopify app. So I am going to click on it. Now here the app is going to be right there cited. As you can see, digital downloads. When you open the app, you are going to see the dashboard of it. So it is going to be very simple to add. Here you have up to 5 gigs of storage to put for a file. So basically you are going to add here any type of file that you want. Now, aside from that, I'm going to head over the home again. Now I'm going to head over Canva, and we are going simply to, and from here we are going to create our ebook. How we can create the ebook? Basically we are going to type on the search bar up top ebook, like that, ebook. So I have a little bit of a funny keyboard. So here we are going to set up ebook. We are going to see all the type of ebooks. You can create one from blank or choose one that has a template or pre-made template that you can go ahead and modify. Basically, I'm going to choose this, and we are going to customize it here from there. Now we are going to see here all the pages. For example, I'm going to type in here the name of the editor or the creator, for example, Jack Smith. And then we are going to type in the title. For example, from winter, we are going to type in here snowflakes. I'm going to put it like this as a title. So here we are going to modify the title or the second title or the subtitle, you can call it that. For example, here, the for the wonderful of or the wonders of getting or living in cold or snowy places. For example, snowy places, just like that. I'm going to put this as title. Now we are going to add here some pages, and these pages are going to be here some, let's say here, text holders. We are going to add some headings. These headings are going to be here. So I'm going to copy, paste the header or the headers here. So we are going to put here chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. And then we are going to add some maybe subheadings. This is, I think, suitable. And I'm going to copy and paste here the subheadings. I'm going to make them as little as possible. So we have the size 22 like that. Also, boom. We're going to put them under the chapters. Also like that. Boom. We're going to put this here instead. Now, we can go ahead and add, for example, here day 1. For example, here we are going to put here snowy days. And then we're going to put here freezing days. And then you are going to add, for example, some elements like here, some page, let's say here some shapes. And these shapes are going to be here shape. I'm going to put a shape to set them as text holders. So we're going to head over the shapes. I'm going to put a here a round cornered one. So we are going to put it just like that. Boom. Copy that. Or instead, I'm going to change the color of it to something like a creamy color. So we are going to put here some creamy, just like that. So we are going to put the creamy white. Something just like that. This color is better. I'm going to copy, paste here, boom. And then these are going to be the text holders. So we are going to type in here, you are going to add a text box. Text box, copy it, put it in here for the 3. Now what we're going to do is to have here the cover. I'm going to download this as a PDF. Here, I'm not going to fill up the text because it is going to be your ebook, not mine. So we are going to download it as not a PNG, but a PDF standard. We're going to download all the pages here. And what we're going to do is to have here, let's say, something else or create the cover. So we are going basically here to head over the design. I'm going to create a design, a custom size design to be precise. So we are going to work with 1280 by 720. Click on create. And then what are we going to do is to have these elements or all the elements in here. I'm going to paste them right there. So we are going to have them just right there. So I'm going to put them as wide as I can. And also for here, I have the image that I want to paste right there. So please be here. Boom. Now this is something that we can talk about. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put, for example, here this as a, let's say here PNG, download it as a cover. So we are going to get it here. Now, everything is in order. We have the image as a PNG and we have the ebook as a PDF. Now, what are we going to do is to head over the products into our Shopify store. And we are going to click on add product. This is the normal way to add a product. So we are going to put here snowy, for example, snow flakes ebook, just like that. I'm going to put here description. I'm not going to use or waste a lot of time here putting a description, but instead here I'm going to add some media, and the media is or are going to be here. Boom. Now we are going to for the media, the price we are going to put here a price for the ebook, and I'm not going to track the quantity, and also for the shipping I'm not going to put a shipping because this is not a physical product. Now, what are we going to do is to click on save. This is the first step. The second step is going to be either you are going to head over the apps, which is going to be called digital downloads, or you can go ahead and click on here for more actions. Here we have add digital file. So it is going to select the product automatically instead, and you're going to add the file here. So we are going to upload here our file. And for the fulfillment, it is going to be automatically sent or manually sent. So you are going to select here the type of the fulfillment. And for the download limit, I highly recommend for you to put it as unlimited downloads. If you're here for the simple file, and if it is going to be an exclusive file, go ahead and put that as not unlimited. Basically, I'm going to click on save, and here we have added it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.